You're scared?
Yeah.
What's up?
I don't know. Something keeps telling me not to look so far ahead because I'm scared something's gonna be standing there.
Really?
Yeah.
Like in front of us or back there?
In front of us.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog channel. We are just wrapping up from our camping trip here in Grim Lake. Now, it's a super haunted forest. We've heard dogmen. We've encountered beings here. It's weird. So right now, this is kind of the aftermath of our episode. So we're gonna be filming our way out and just giving you guys some more of that exclusive behind the scenes, just a little bit more of our adventures, because it might be kind of useful in the future. Who knows what we'll catch on the way out. If it's documented, we do hear a lot of stuff kind of on our way out usually. So we're gonna try and document it today, all right? So welcome to the channel, and yeah, hit the sub if you aren't joined. We would love to see you guys here, so legitimately drop a sub. We're actually gonna come back for a part 2 on the main channel as well. So yeah, we're only getting started here. We're in an absolute off-grid location in this forest where we actually never been before on camera. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're in the midst of packing everything up right now. Everything is snowed and iced over. It's horrible, man. We gotta escape this forest again. Oh. Okay. Whew.
What's that?
Okay, what was that? What was that, Chills? On the reels.
That's like a big stump.
Did we call up Bigfoot?
It probably smells us cooking our wiener.
Yeah.
Can you pull me on the sled? And I'll carry the stuff?
Oh,
Let's try it.
you're gonna get your ass soaked. We have been hearing like weird sounds the entire night, and I felt like someone ran behind me. Like I just felt that presence. I don't know what we encountered out here, but it was some. I'll tell you that. Did you already drink all of this?
Yeah, I chugged it back, man. I'm trying not to die of hypothermia. You had yours in the car.
That's true.
Alright, let's see if you can pull me though.
What are we gonna do with our tent?
I say we just leave it here again, because fuck this tent. I mean, screw this tent.
I can put it like back to where we
But first, let's see if you can pull me.
Okay, wait a second though, wait a second. I need to make sure this is all set up. Right. There are bungees on this, so you'll have to sit on the bungees. Are you actually wanting to do that?
Yeah, man. I haven't been sledding since I was just a little one.
You are a little one.
Yeah, that's true.
Wait. What is going on here?
I don't know.
So.
It's like you performed surgery on this thing. There we go. Okay.
Are you sure? You're gonna have to carry like the bag, the cooler, the everything. Like actually.
Yeah. Okay, let's just try it to see. Yeah!
This is gonna break the bungee. It's gonna fly at me, man.
Come on, just take me for a ride.
No, that ain't gonna work.
Alright, that's okay.
I mean, it might actually, but like not on this terrain yet, because it's like a kid's sled.
I applaud you for trying.
Might be feasible though. Okay. One of the flashlights here, like this one. Kind of look around. So I've been with this thing, kind of just bungeeing it over the bag. So it's kind of like those camping ones, but not like a built-in one, if you know what I mean. It's like oh boy. Yep, this is a what? There we go. There we go. It's all tight now.
Awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna have to trek out of here.
Yeah.
And try and keep this as nice as possible because it is snowing. We're gonna have to try and be safe because it is dark, snowing, visibility is low.
Right.
Yeah.
You got everything you need?
Yeah, I'm just gonna try and zipper up this. I know I'm trying to go as quick as I can. Fuck this, it's not okay. I think I'm good.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw on my gloves and then we're good.
Out.
This sled is literally such a
Lifesaver?
oh my god, yeah.
That's good. My gosh, it's already snowed so much. Like our tracks and stuff are like
Looks like we were here 3 days ago.
yeah. Alright.
It's time. We got everything, right?
Yeah, I checked the tent and I checked the area.
Okay. We gotta lug everything.
Watch, there's a tree behind you.
Bon voyage. We are setting sail home on land. Okay. Oh.
It is like pitch black.
Whew. What's that?
It is pitch black. You can't see like more than like 20 feet in front of you.
That's scary. Yeah, I don't know what it is about these dogs, man, but who knows? This is why we're kind of filming our way out, because if we do hear them, then yeah, we can mark them down as an encounter. It's up in the air. We're not really claiming that it is dogmen, but it is kind of interesting. You good up there?
Yeah. Surviving. making the fire.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah, it was.
We kind of actually, not gonna lie, we just kind of chilled for a bit as we were just kind of sitting there like, this is pretty nice.
Yeah.
To be honest. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try and leave this as uncut as possible. We are in the deep woods, and I just want to keep this environment mic on us open and filming, just in case we encounter anything. And for you guys watching this, you know, if there is a cut, then we had camera issues. Sometimes with the adventure cams, you gotta, like GoPros, you gotta cut them every now and then in this kind of weather, because
I'm scared.
Yeah. You're scared?
Yeah.
What's up?
I don't know. Something keeps telling me not to look so far ahead because I'm scared something's gonna be standing there.
Really?
Yeah.
Like in front of us or back there?
In front of us.
Okay. Yeah. We've encountered a lot tonight. For real.
Do you know what our reward is?
What?
When we get back to the car, we can have cupcakes.
Ooh. I hate cupcakes.
Oh,
I'm kidding.
I love cupcakes.
Just not the chocolate ones. Like, I like chocolate, but not as much as you. Like the dark, like chocolatey chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm like a kind of sweets guy. I like my sweets. Not like this girl and her family though.
We have converted you a bit though.
A little bit.
Yeah. At the LaSalle house, we have dessert before dinner, then we have dinner, and then we have dessert again.
Yeah, I'm not used to that. I'm more of a go for seconds kind of guy at dinner time than like dessert.
That's true. That makes my mom happy.
Yeah? Okay, I gotta cut this. Getting some weird staticky stuff here. You doing okay with the weight?
Yeah.
I mean, there's nothing really in that cooler.
Yeah, just a bit.
Hello? Anybody out here? I came for some white vinegar.
White vinegar, please.
White vinegar, please.
I gotta clean my baseboard.
Yo, I'm feeling someone behind us.
Come on, babe.
I'm like literally, that was weird. I'm literally disturbed, man. Come on, little Bobby. Come on, little Bobby. I'm coming. I'm lugging this thing. This girl's leaving me in the dust. I swear, if you had the car keys, you would just, like, if you left me back here, you would just get it and drive away. I'm happy I have the keys. Believe it or not, this girl likes to just walk in front of me, even when I'm struggling behind. She'll just keep going.
No.
Yes, it's happened a lot of times. Leaves me alone.
Oh, geez.
You okay?
Yeah. Snow's getting deep.
Yeah. Oh my God. She's coming down.
We're almost at the...
Got the fork?
Yeah. There's the bridge.
Okay. It's literally like I'm pulling air, man.
It's starting to turn to freezing rain.
What?
It's starting to turn to freezing rain.
How do you know?
Because it's like...
It's got that vibe, eh?
Yeah. And the snow pellets are like hurting when they hit your face.
Okay, we gotta get back. We're like 40 minutes from home.
Yeah.
Maybe?
And the roads don't get done quick here. That's one thing I've learned since moving to Nova Scotia. Back in Ontario, the roads would get done so quickly. Like they'd already be out and they'd already be done before the snow came. But here it's just like, we're all on maritime time.
Maritime time?
Yeah.
So it takes like 7 days for it to like happen.
Which doesn't bug me because a lot of things like close down when there's snowstorms. Like everything
True.
just closes and we all just get to stay home. It's like being back in school and having snow days,
Yeah.
but as an adult.
We
I
all
love
get to
it.
stay home and watch Paranormal Discovery.
Yeah.
Put ourselves in danger all the time, right? That's what people love. Good boy. Whoosh. Down, boy. Whoosh. Come on, boy. Hey, look, a brook. Hi, brook.
I wonder if that brook's gonna suck the big toe.
you gotta chill.
That's funny.
Yeah, we're not explaining that to the people watching this.
Little movie.
I'm Byung-sun, and I'm a kind person.
Look, a street light.
Oh,
That's good. Until you see someone standing under it.
beautiful though. Yeah. This is cray cray. And even when we get out of here, get to the car, we still are in the country. Like scary country. Ah. Oh. I don't feel anything on my back, to be honest.
That's great.
This is actually really good. It's still there though, right?
I'm excited for the cart.
Yeah. When all the snow is gone, we ordered ourselves a camping cart. So we'll have that for when there's no snow. Oh, we did it. We did it. What a trek. Mission accomplished.
Now it's time. Hold this.
You are crazy. That's insanity.
How's she look? Wait.
Well, looks like the ladies' bathroom sign.
She has horns.
A horny bathroom lady?
That's a pretty good snow angel.
Good on ya. There you go. Perfect. I'm gonna get the keys out here. Everything is like snowy, frozen, and like just disgusting right now. I can't. Want to hold this for a sec?
Oh my goodness.
So literally, like, hell. In order for us to get out of here, we gotta get this pocket done. There we go. Imagine if we lost these.
Shh,
somewhere out there.
don't ever speak of that.
We don't speak of his name.
No.
Lord Lost Keys.
All right. Hand me those keys. I'll go start the car.
Okay. We made it. We made it. Hurrah! It's in the back seat. You're gonna have to go up into the front and this is a disaster. Oh my God. The hell? Yo, where are you? Oh, I thought you just went in the car and left just like one side. Yeah, let's hope we don't get stuck in a... We should be good.
That's good enough.
Oh, you're gonna have to get more of the driver's side, Bob. I can't see.
One sec, I'm gonna turn the windshield wipers on.
Hold on. Don't turn them on yet. Whew. She bad, guys. Very, very bad. She's coming down though. It's best we get out of here ASAP. Okay. Alrighty folks, so for everyone who watched us kind of escape that forest, that's all she wrote. If you guys do want us to like film ourselves kind of leaving places like that more, comment down below, let us know. I know I haven't really been posting on this channel quite too often, but we want to do more of behind the scenes, a little bit extra stuff that you guys can see in our vlog channel and whatever. Yeah, let a brother know ASAP. And I think that's all she wrote for this. We're cold and ready to get the hell out of here. So till the next, be you, be safe, have fun, and yeah, take care. We'll see you on the next. Peace.